Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get proof of address on the Capitec app. First, unlock your phone and open the Capitec Bank app. After logging in, you will arrive on the home screen of the app. Here, look for your main savings account and tap on it to continue. This will open your account details page. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see 3 dots which open the menu section. Tap on those 3 dots to continue. A list of options will appear on your screen. Select the option called Send Account Details. On some updated versions of the app, you may instead need to go to the Documents section and then choose Proof of Account. Both methods will help you access the document you need. Next, choose how you want to receive the document. Select email as your preferred delivery method. Then type in your email address carefully to make sure there are no spelling mistakes. Once your email address is entered correctly, tap on the Send button. The Capitec app will now send the official PDF document to your email inbox. Thanks for watching.